In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Activity Reminder in Zoho CRM Leads module. Activity reminders are helpful because they make sure you do not miss important follow-ups with your leads. In this walkthrough, you will update the Leads module layout so the Reminders option is available, and then you will create a lead task that uses those reminders. First, go to the Zoho CRM interface and click Setup. You can find the gear icon in the top right corner. This is the main area where you can change how modules and pages behave, so it is the right place to start before you make any layout adjustments. Next, under the Customization section, select Modules and Fields. Take a moment to ensure you are inside the customization tools, since this is where Zoho lets you control what appears on module pages. This step matters because reminders are tied to the layout and fields that are available on the Leads module. Now click the Leads module. After you select Leads, choose the layout that you want to edit. If your organization uses more than one layout, pick the one that your team actually uses day to day. This ensures the reminder component will show up where you expect it to. Once you are on the correct layout screen, look at the left panel for components. If you do not already see the reminders component available in the layout, you will add it. To do that, drag and drop the reminders component from the left panel into the layout area. This is an important step because if the component is missing, you will not be able to enable reminders when creating tasks on lead records. After you position the reminders component correctly, save your changes. Click Save and Close in the top right corner. This saves the updated layout so the Leads module will reflect your modifications. It also prevents you from losing your work if you navigate away. Now you will switch back from customization to your normal CRM workflow. Go to the Leads module from the main navigation bar. Then open any lead record. Choose a lead that you can practice with, because you will create a new activity that uses reminder settings. Opening a real record helps you verify that the layout change is working correctly. Once the lead record is open, scroll down until you find the section called Open Activities. Open Activities is where Zoho shows tasks and other follow-up items linked to that lead. From there, click New Task. This starts the process of adding an activity and attaching reminder details to it. After the new task window or form opens, fill in the details for your task. Include whatever information you normally would for the follow-up, such as the task description and relevant timing details that you want to track. Then check the Reminders box. This is the control that turns on reminder behavior for this specific task. Next, you will select the reminder type by choosing either email or pop-up. This determines how the reminder will reach you when it is time to act. Make sure you select the one that matches your workflow and the way you prefer to receive notifications. After you select the reminder type, set the reminder time. Choose the exact time you want the reminder to trigger so your follow-up happens at the right moment. When you are ready, click Save to store the task and reminder settings for the lead record. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know. You updated the leads layout to include the reminders component, and then you created a lead task with a reminder set to email or a pop-up at the time you chose.